Hi there. Let's go through a quick walkthrough on exporting inventory reports in Jamf Pro. I want to export a list of all the computers in my organization with their asset tags and what versions of Mac OS they're currently on. From the Jamf Pro dashboard, click Computers, search Inventory, then click New to create a new advanced search. Select Save this search so we can use this later if we'd like, then give it a name. I'm calling mine Mac OS Asset Report. On the Criteria tab, I'm choosing to not add any criteria, so this search will find every enrolled computer. On the Display tab under Computer, select Asset Tag. Under Operating System, select Operating System Version. Any other selected checkboxes will display that inventory criteria in our report. Click Save, and then it's time to export our report. On the Reports tab under File Format, choose Comma-Separated Values, or CSV. Leave inventory items set to Computers, then click Download Report. Once the inventory report finishes downloading, open it up. This report can now be shared with others in your organization who might not have access to Jamf Pro, or used as a basis for data visualization. Thanks for watching.